If you're trying to pass the Outlier AI screening test and you're not sure what the reviewers are really looking for, this video will walk you through the exact strategy. I use step-by-step so you don't make the mistakes that cause most people to fail. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I completed the Outlier AI screening assessment step by step and the exact strategy I used to pass it successfully. If you're preparing for the Outlier screening, test, or similar AI evaluation tasks, this walkthrough will help you understand what reviewers are actually expecting from you. The Outlier screening test is not just about choosing answers quickly. It is mainly testing whether you can evaluate accuracy, check completeness, analyze clarity, and confirm instruction following. Many people fail because they focus only on grammar or writing style instead of checking whether the response actually solves the prompt correctly. So in this video, I recorded my process and I'm explaining the strategy I used while evaluating responses. One important part of the screening test is comparing two responses and deciding which one performs better. When I was doing mine, I focused on four key things. First, I checked whether the response followed instructions correctly. Second, I checked if the information provided was accurate. Third, I checked whether the explanation was complete enough. And finally, I checked if the response was clear and easy to understand. Once you evaluate using these four criteria, choosing the stronger response becomes much easier. If you stay with me till the end of this video, I'll also show you the mistake many applicants make that reduces their chances of passing, even when they pick the correct answer. One common mistake applicants make is selecting the better response, but not explaining their justification clearly. Reviewers want to see your reasoning. So, instead of writing something short like, "Response A is better," you should explain why it follows instructions better, why it is more accurate, and why it is more complete. Your explanation is just as important as your final answer. During my preparation, I practiced by asking questions like, which response follows instructions better? Which response contains missing information? Which response explains the topic more clearly? This helped me evaluate answers faster and more confidently during the real screening process. Another important strategy is taking your time to read both responses carefully before selecting your answer. Many people rush through the screening test and miss small but important details that reviewers expect you to notice. Working carefully improves your chances of passing. If you're applying for Outlier or other AI training and evaluation roles, I'll be sharing more walkthrough videos and preparation strategies like this. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next guide.